All new at 10 o'clock, the man charged in a fatal hit and run in Anderson County is out on bond tonight. This is video you will see only on Fox, and we were the only ones outside of the jail as Albert Phillips walked out. And we asked him about the death of Josephine Nunn, or Josie. The 19-year-old died last Saturday when her car ran off the road. And Fox Carolina's Zach Perlutsky is live outside of the Anderson County Detention Center tonight. And Zach, what did Phillips say before he got into that car and left to you?
That's right, Shale. I had a chance to come up to Phillips as he was leaving here at the detention center. I asked him and some of his family members if they had anything that they would like to say or if they had any comment on the case. They replied that they had no comment. Now, it was about 8 p.m. when Phillips walked out of these doors at the Anderson County Detention Center, 12 hours after we learned more information about the investigation during his first court appearance. Our cameras were inside the courtroom Saturday morning for the bond hearing of 40-year-old Albert Phillips of Westminster. Phillips is charged in the hit-and-run death of 19-year-old Josephine Nunn. After investigators say Phillips hit the teen's car last weekend near Highway 24 and Airport Drive in Anderson, causing her to leave the roadway and hit a concrete barrier. The sheriff's office says Phillips fled from the scene that night before his attorney says he turned himself in. The attorney for Josie's family saying this case is a tragedy.
These folks just want answers and they want justice for their daughter. And so that's what they would ask this court to give.
The attorney for Phillips, B.D. Ashmore, said his client has fully cooperated with law enforcement.
The facts are difficult. The investigation is ongoing. But what he told law enforcement was that he did not make contact with this young lady's vehicle. And that just remains to be seen. It was at night. It was in the rain. It was a road under construction.
The judge issued Phillips a $30,000 surety bond. We found out that means Phillips had to go through a bail bondsman or put up property to post bond. Josephine's mom, Virginia Nunn, overcome with emotion during the hearing.
Our lives were shattered. She was everything to us. She was everything to Ryan. And as you can tell, she had a lot of people that loved her. And we are so broken. And I don't understand why he left. Why he couldn't just call. He could have just drove up the street and called for help for her. And why did he not do that?
Now, I did also reach out to South Carolina Highway Patrol to see if there are any updates in the investigation. I'm told that there is no new information to be released at this time. And Shale, we will continue to closely follow this case and bring you updates on air and inside of our Fox Carolina News app. For now, reporting live in Anderson, Zach Perlutsky, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.